We can stand here to get a better look. Samuel Taylor Coleridge might have been proud to present the rhyme of the Phantom Ship. Looking forward, I behold a something in the lake. At first it seems a little speck, and then it seems a mist. It vanishes, returns, and takes at last a certain shape I wist. A speck, a mist, a shape I wist, and still we neared and neared. Like moths to flame, we are drawn to see the mysterious Phantom Ship. Spires like sails, the ship prevails over the deep blue lake. Without a breeze, without a sail, its shadow makes the heart shake. 400,000 years old, the eldest in the caldera, these rocks do tower. At the base of Mazama they did stand in the mountain's final hour. One after one by the smoke-filled sky, too quick for groan or sigh. The surrounding rocks crumbled and cracked and cursed me with their cry. In two great landslides the surrounding rocks, too loud for sigh or groan, with deafening crash into the ground, they dropped down all at once. The Phantom Ship, betwixt the landslides, survived the boom. In subsequent epochs, the wind and rain have shaped its craggy loom. Its walls are steep and hot and dry, and yet life persists. Growing upon these grand spires, 7 species of tree exist, a point of fascination to any botanist. Lichens and penstemons also grow. The pink flowers, they do thrive upon the Phantom Ship between the lake and sky. Grey mercy, I cry, violet-green swallows on the spires. They fly and dive in green and glossy black. They coil and turn, and every track is a flash of golden fire. O happy living things, no tongue their beauty might declare. A spring of love gushes from my heart, and I bless them unaware. Sure my kind Sate takes pity on me, for I bless them unaware. And we are coming upon, near the stern of the ship, a line in the water. Suddenly changes color from a kind of gray-greenish blue to the familiar deep blue of Crater Lake. That's because we are right about to pass over an underwater cliff. The depth will suddenly drop from 50 to 1,000 feet. Prepare for the plunge. Yes, so we got some cliff penstemons growing on the rocks, and you can hear the peeping from the violet-green swallows who make nests and holes in the rocks. We mentioned there are 7 species of trees growing on the ship. Probably seeds brought over by birds. That's pretty interesting to a botanist. And to a botanist, there's something in this lake that's even more interesting than the trees on the ship, and that's the moss. From 85 to 460 feet under the water, a grand ring of moss circles the entire lake. It's bright green when you shine lights on it. Its beds are up to 6 feet thick. And then around Wizard Island there are beds of old dead moss, peat, that are up to 30 feet thick. And moss is a photosynthetic plant. It makes its own food from sunlight. It again demonstrates the clarity of Crater Lake, that moss can still grow 460 feet underwater. That's deeper than moss grows anywhere else in the world.
Why did you hear that?
All right, please be seated, everyone.